How to hide banking apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide banking apps or any other application on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, after you are on the home screen of your iPhone, you'll have to just tap and hold that application whom you want to hide. So simply, in my case, I will try to hide this application Roblox. Alright, after tap and hold, you'll have to tap on require face ID. From here, tap on the option Hide and Require Face ID. Alright, from here, tap on Hide app. Alright, after you tap on that option, you'll be able to hide that application from your iPhone, and after you are searching that application from search field, you'll not be able to find that application on your iPhone. And now to access that hidden application, you'll have to come on the app library section and scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option Hidden. Okay, after tap on that hidden option, you'll be able to find out that hidden application on your iPhone, and after tap on that, you'll be able to access that application. So in this way, you can hide any application on your iPhone, including your banking app. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.